Hi, this is Annie from the QuickBooks team. Let's go over how to run payroll in QuickBooks Online. We'll also show you how to change an employee from a paper check to direct deposit. If you need help with adding employees or setting up your payroll taxes, you can check out the links to videos on these topics at the end of this video. You can run your payroll from a few different places. In this example, go to Payroll and select Overview. Then select Run Payroll. Note your navigation may look like this. If you have the option, select the account in QuickBooks that you use to track payroll transactions. Changing this doesn't change the actual bank account you use for payroll. Next, make sure the pay period and paycheck dates are correct. If they aren't, you can change them here. You'll see a list of your employees on this pay schedule. If you don't want to pay someone, uncheck the box next to their name. For salaried employees, QuickBooks calculates their pay based on the salary info you provided. For hourly employees, you need to enter the hours they worked here. If you have premium or elite payroll and your team uses QuickBooks Time, their hours will automatically appear here for you to approve. To change an employee from a paper check to direct deposit, select the employee. From Payment Method, select Edit. Then select Direct Deposit. Enter the routing and account number. Then select Save and then Done. Now your employee will be paid by direct deposit. If you want to switch them back to paper check, just select their pay method and paper check. When you're done, you can preview your payroll. For each employee, you'll see the total pay for the period, the taxes being withheld, and net pay they'll receive. Once you are ready, select Submit Payroll. Now you can print paychecks or pay stubs. Or if your employees have access to QuickBooks Workforce, they can view their pay stubs here. Now you're ready to run payroll in QuickBooks Online.